Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language for class 3. Today we are going to continue with chapter number 16 and we will be doing question number 8. So let us first of all read what the heading is or as to what we have to do. We have to learn to rewrite our sentences beginning with no one knows. Now in the previous questions like question number 2, 3, 4 and 5, we learnt the use of did, do and does. So when your question has do, while writing the answer, what change do we bring to the verb? So when the question has do, the verb remains the same as it is in the question. For example, Ram is running, or if the verb is speak. Let me give you an example of the verb as speak. So while writing the answer, speak will remain as it is. But if the question has did in it, what happens to the verb? Speak will change to spoke. That is the past tense of speak. Now if your question has does in it, what happens to the verb? While writing the answer, the verb, we add s to the verb. So speak will become speaks. So let us start by question number 1 or example number 1. When did the postman arrive? So first of all, if you take note, we have did in the question. So what happens? When you have did in the question, while writing the answer, the verb will change and it will become the past tense. So how do we write this answer? We begin using no one knows. No one knows. After writing no one knows, what do we write? We write the question word or the interrogative word, which is when. Now who are we talking about? We are talking about the postman. So no one knows when the postman. Now we need to write the verb. But since we have did in the question, what happens to the verb? As I have told you before, the verb changes to the past tense form. So arrive will become arrived. Okay? Now let us have a look at the second example. When do the children go to bed? So once again we begin our sentence using no one knows. Now what happens? In our question we have do. So I had earlier told you that if your question has do, what happens? The verb remains the same. The verb will remain as it is. There is no change to the verb while writing the answer. So no one knows. We'll write the question word, the interrogative word. No one knows when. Who are we talking about? We are talking about the children. The children. Now we will write the verb and the rest of the words. Go to bed. Now let us have a look at the third example. The third example is, when does the meeting begin? Now in this question we have does. So as I have told you before, when we have does in the question, what happens? The verb, while writing the answer, we add s to the verb. So let's begin our answer. No one knows. Now what do we write? The question verb, that is when. Now what are we talking about? We are talking about the meeting. So no one knows when the meeting. Now we have to write the verb, but what happens to the verb? We add s to it. So begin becomes begins. So I hope children you have understood the use of do, did, does and how we change the verb and rewrite our answers with the help of the beginning given to us. Thank you.